Hey, just got a new exhaust put on the old truck. Basically the same thing as before, except with 2.5 pipe instead of 2 1/4 this time. Got a pair of Dynomax mufflers, the big ones, so it keeps it quiet. They rerouted passenger side pipe up above the cross member, had to drop the other one down under the cross member still. Otherwise it would hit the speedo cable. Sounds good at idle, nice and quiet going down the road. That one sounds a little more subdued for some reason. Yeah, running good.